Even with proper defenses, the bad actors can sometimes find a way to penetrate your organization and pounce at the worst moment using ransomware or other threats. This can not only threaten your ability to stay in business, but data backup and restore is the way to survive these breaches, quickly rebound to minimize downtime. DBR delivers the most critical protective measure against catastrophic failure. It offers business continuity far beyond data recovery. That means you're keeping the lights on, not just getting the files back. It gives you the ability to refuse to pay a ransom because you can restore data instantly. Keep your business resilient and turn a potential company shutdown into a minor tech hiccup. Fully automated backups deliver customer trust and guard your reputation. Put it in place immediately.